Cock and bull story. Cock and bull story. It's an idiom. It means a lie. That is a story that cannot be believed. In other words, a story or explanation which is obviously not true. Let us see it in the examples. First one, don't give me that cock and bull story. You should have completed this long time ago. I gave you ample of time. You should have completed it by now. Don't tell me stories, cock and bull stories. Don't tell me lies. Second one, she started to tell some cock and bull story to the police officers about how she found a huge bag containing 5 pounds of gold. So when the police asked where she found this gold, she told all lies. That's the reason she told all cock and bull stories. Third one, when I asked Anjali why she hadn't done her assignment, she gave me some cock and bull story about having been abducted by aliens. When the teacher asked Anjali why she hadn't done her assignment, she came up with a cock and bull story, a lie that somebody aliens kidnapped her. That's the reason she gave some cock and bull story. Fourth one, I don't believe one bit of your cock and bull story. I don't believe your lies. You are telling lies. So, bit of your cock and bull story. Fifth one, when the chairman asked for an explanation, all he got from the vice president was some cock and bull story. So, when the chairman asked vice president explanation, the vice president told all the lies. That's the reason vice president was some cock and bull story. So, when we look at the origin of this idiom, cock and bull story, some scholars believe that the idiom has its origins in the fables that we all read as children. Stories in which animals behave and talk like human beings. Such stories are often considered to be unrealistic by people who are very practical in their outlook. They can't believe that animals like lions, bulls, foxes, etc. can actually talk. Some others believe that cock and bull referred to two taverns. People who went to these bars got drunk and told tall tales, big stories. So finally, cock and bull story is nothing but a lie, a story that cannot be believed.